All right, so I'm back here with another video to help you out, help you get lean. We're gonna show you what to eat today. We're gonna do some breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all right? So follow this, you wanna get lean, and let me know if you have any questions. Like, subscribe for more content like this. Let's keep going. Okay, in the veggie aisle, I want you to grab you some bell peppers, okay? They sell the 3-pack here. Get you these because you're gonna use these in your beef and your chicken. They're really good, really easy to cook. You can saute them and add them to your meat. Also, get you some cucumbers, okay? Cucumbers are real crunchy, so they work out great. So get you some cucumbers. If you like these, get these little small ones. These ones are great as well. They're real easy to eat, real easy to pack with you. So grab you some of those. Grab you some of these right here. You're gonna make a salad, okay? Yeah, I know salads are boring, but this salad's gonna taste good. Made it the other day, tastes really good. But get you some of these. It makes it real easy to make a salad with. You chop these up, you put these on a plate. But yeah, so you got your cucumbers, you got your salads, you got your bell peppers. Get those bell peppers, all right? They're really good. Real easy to cook, real easy to eat. Healthy fats. Grab a couple avocados if you can. You can just eat them like this. You can make some guacamole if you want. If you're gonna make guacamole, just add one of these, a little bit of lime juice, and a little bit of salt. Boom, that's all you need. So that's a real quick guacamole that you can make. Healthy fats, you can add this to your eggs, or just eat it just like this, but to get your fats in, okay? Get you some avocados. Get a sweet tooth, need a healthy snack, grab you some apples. I love eating apples. I eat probably an apple or two a day, especially when I get a sweet tooth, so grab you some apples. Like I always recommend, get you some frozen fruit, okay? Your sweet tooth will kick in because you're changing your eating habits. So your sweet tooth is gonna kick in, go to fruit first, okay? Get you a little bit of fruit, you can drizzle some honey on it, and that'll take care of it, all right? So make sure you have this in the freezer. This is gonna come in handy whenever the sweet tooth is kicking in. I promise you, you gotta hold on to whatever fruit you like, okay? Whatever fruit you like, just get it, keep it in the freezer because it tastes really good cold too. So especially if you need something that's nice and refreshing, get your fruit. So for breakfast, I want you to try to get 30 to 40 grams for breakfast, okay? So it's just gonna keep it very basic. Just eat you some eggs, get one egg and then the rest egg whites, because just all egg whites does not taste good to me. So you need some egg in there, plus the yolk. Don't be afraid of the yolk. It has a lot of vitamins and stuff in it. So throw your yolk or two in there, and then go ahead and get a half cup cottage cheese. This will help you get some more protein. And then on the side, these bagel thins right here, these keto bagel thins, find these, okay? One thin, I use these all the time. One thin has 9 grams of protein. They're very thin, only 2 net carbs. What I like to do is either put a serving of like jelly on it, especially if you have a pre-workout, put a serving of jelly, or you can just drizzle a little bit of honey on these, okay? So get these. So that's gonna be your breakfast. Eggs. Oh, and then in the eggs, if you want to, what I like to do, if you like ham, just get you some ham and then do a serving. Okay, so one serving is 2 ounces of this, is 10 grams of protein, all right? Chop this up, throw it in the eggs. You can also add those bell peppers in there. Man, it tastes so good, all right? So that's your breakfast. That's gonna be your breakfast. It's not gonna sit too heavy on you, so you're gonna be hungry in a little bit. So make sure you're eating your breakfast, all right? So let's go try to get around 30 grams of protein in breakfast, 30 to 40 grams, okay? If you need help, look at my other videos. I show you ways to do it. Go to my social media, my like Instagram, TikTok, all those. I put daily videos on there of like stuff that I eat. So go follow those as well, all right? So that's breakfast, all right? So let's go find lunch. Lunch is gonna be pretty simple. You're just gonna have a sandwich, okay? So you're gonna, if you can, find these sandwich thins, these keto sandwich thins. Each thin has 12 grams of protein. So we're gonna do that. Do 1 slice of mozzarella cheese and 1 serving of turkey lunch meat. And what I like to do as well is take those cucumbers, slice them up, stick them on the sandwich. You can even use that lettuce that we're gonna use for our salad. So slice it up, put it on the sandwich, gives it that nice crunch. You're also gonna do 1 ratio yogurt for lunch. This will take care of the sweet tooth, 25 grams of protein. And then also get you some Quest chips, get you a bag of these, just have 1 bag of Quest chips. different flavors. This is the ranch is good. Loaded taco is good. Nacho is really good. If you can find barbecue, I've only found it at Target. Man, get you on those barbecue, especially if you like barbecue stuff. So have you a bag of those. That'll give you some more protein. And that's gonna be your lunch. That's gonna be plenty for your lunch. All right, for dinner, you're gonna make a buffalo chicken salad. Now, I made this the other day. It is really, really good, okay? So all you're gonna do, you're gonna slice up some lettuce. That's gonna be your base for the salad. You're gonna cook the chicken. You can put some bell peppers in there, okay? So get you some chicken breast. Cook the chicken breast, bell peppers. You wanna add some more veggies in there. More veggies, the better. And then you're also gonna add this sauce here. Buffalo sauce, buffalo chicken salad. Put it over this, slice up. I like to use cubed cucumbers actually on the salad. It makes it a little more crunchy. I also added some asparagus, so you can put that in. You don't need to cook the asparagus. You can have them just raw, or you can cook them either way. But this is what you're gonna have for dinner. You're gonna do the salad, a buffalo chicken salad. Okay, weigh out around, I would say, 4 to 6 ounces of chicken. So you get you enough protein, whatever protein you need. Make sure you're measuring everything, whatever protein you need to hit your goals, okay? So try to hit your goal in protein a day. And so that's gonna be dinner. You're gonna have the buffalo chicken salad. I'm telling you, it's really good, cooks pretty quick. And you just basically, once the chicken's done, put it on top of the salad, chop it up, and just eat. It's really good. Check it out, I'm telling you. So we got your breakfast. Lunch is just gonna keep it basic with a sandwich, some chips, yogurt. It's real light. If you need a snack in the middle of the day, of course, go with the Core Power. Like I always say, get your Core Power for a snack, 42 grams of protein. Can't beat it. These taste amazing, okay? So keep those in stock as well. Get you a gallon of water. Try to get you a gallon of water a day. And so these are just some of the options here. So breakfast, lunch, dinner. I think that's about it for today. So hopefully this video helps you out. I'll make another video next time I'm going shopping. Show you what to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner to get lean. We're gonna lean you down. We're gonna get you on the healthy track. Remember, it's all about discipline. Okay, so we gotta work on your discipline. Once you change that, it gets much easier. All right, this will become a lifestyle, and it's not a diet. Okay, you're not going on a diet. You're changing your life. Okay, you're changing your eating habits. So it's different than people call it a diet. I call it just eating healthy. All right, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna perform better, everything's gonna get better. Make sure you like, subscribe for more content like this. I'll keep putting it down. And let me know if you have any questions or anything else I can provide. So let's get better. Come on.